Hello and welcome back. In this short video I would like to talk about the technical inspection of my green Maluch, which was yesterday, and quickly summarized, it went well. I will talk about the end result a little bit later, but I would like to start the video with the information that my Polar Pro GoPro filters have arrived, and I certainly hope that I won't be recording any overexposed footage anymore. But back to the Maluch. This time around I was allowed to record stuff, but I didn't, because I was talking to the guy who was inspecting the car and watching him in detail what he was doing, because he was inspecting some things that haven't been checked up in recent years. So I had a few questions as to why he did that. I received those answers, but yeah, I guess it depends on whoever does the checkup on the car. But anyway, let's continue. The process itself didn't change to last year. It's still a two-step process. The first step starts around with a walk around of the car. Then the brakes are being checked if they work properly. And then they check the lights, the emergency lights, the horn, the braking fluid, and some other minor things. And this first step takes maybe 10 to 15 minutes. The second step is the more interesting one, because the car has to go on the ramp. It is a very narrow car, so it only managed by a few centimeters to go on the ramp. Some of you may know that I had the car repaired, some parts of the car repaired over the last summer. If you don't know and want to look for the video, just click up on the banner. And this was a very wise decision, because the car is now in optimal technical shape, which was the target anyway. And they didn't detect any damages, any problems with the car. And the second step takes maybe 25 to 45 minutes depending on the car that is being checked. As this is a very small car, the process doesn't take very long. In the beginning I was saying that the inspection went well, and it did. However, I didn't get the technical okay yet. They detected in general 3 minor things, but in terms of security they turned out to be major things, and I would like to show you what they are. First of all, the light bulb burned through and it doesn't work, so I will have to change it. This is obviously a very simple process, doesn't take very long, and it definitely doesn't cost a lot of money, or any money at all, if you have a spare light bulb as I do. The next thing is something that wasn't a problem last year, and that is the missing side mirror here. I ordered one a couple of months ago. Unfortunately it didn't fit. Then I tried to just simply put in the mirror itself. I applied too much pressure and it broke in the middle. I still have it in my living room, and I'm currently thinking about a solution. Maybe use some double-sided tape or a glue to fix it in place. The most important thing is that the mirror has to be present during the inspection, so I guess I'm having a solution here. And the last thing is something that I was talking about myself a few videos ago, are the covers of the taillights. The clear ones aren't allowed on the road, and therefore I didn't get the okay from the technical side. I will have to swap them back to the original ones, and then I get the okay. So that's quickly done. I will do all those 3 things within the next few days. Go there again. I don't need a further appointment. I just have to hand them the prior report, so they know what to check up on, and then I get the okay. And that is basically it for this short video. I will be able to drive the car for the next 12 months without any further problems. And yeah, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, leave your comments down below, share this video with anyone who is interested in the topics that I do, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.